In the context of Industry 4.0, human-robot interactions are expected to become more common. To ensure their integration benefits the industrial sector, it is essential to evaluate these interactions. Industrial scenarios examined in scientific literature are often specific to a use case, making comparative evaluation challenging. The study proposes using a reproducible VR-based maintenance scenario to evaluate visual assistance for the remote control of a robot. 99 participants were divided into 3 group conditions: without assistance control, with text-based assistance, and with attentional cueing. Task difficulty was also manipulated, easy versus difficult, and performance was assessed with task completion time and failure rate. We found that visual assistance conditions improved the task's completion time compared to control. Additionally, our 2 levels of task difficulty impacted the failure rate. We discussed those results as a first step toward a generic scenario to assess human-robot interactions in industrial setups.